Test, test. There we go. There we go. It's working. I was muted. There we go. All right, guys. London, December 17th, Tuesday, in a massive news week. How are you guys doing? Tuesday and Thursday London stream this week. And yeah, we continue where we left off yesterday. So I haven't looked at the market yet. So it's going to be a live analysis. What I'm still analysis. And let me see if we can see some nice setups. And we're also going to look at where we left off yesterday during the live stream. Okay, let's start with DXY. FOMC coming up. I'm expecting these highs to be rated still. Pretty neutral. Like this 4 hours is just very ugly. So that means the USD pairs. Let's see if we can. 4 hour daily is not very nice. Yeah, I think we can still run the lows. On the weekly SIBI then to the downside, but very neutral, very neutral. Of course, I see currently daily SIBI on GU, what could be used to go lower. I think we already had some news from GBP, yeah, at 2. That's 30 minutes ago. And no red folders anymore this session. Okay, so DXY neutral also for this session. I was looking for potential trades here because we are in a daily unicorn. This up close candle is a breaker. And you then take a long from the SIBI, from the BISI. And let's see how we are right now with that idea. No, not very convincing, to be honest. No, not yet. Euro GBP, well, this is this is news. So, well, probably the shorts. Also looking here at a potential trade, but the euro keeps being weak. Then Nasdaq mass expansion yesterday. I didn't take an entry there. Waiting for more structure to form. So no trade there. YM went lower, just like we discussed in the stream, towards the daily busy. Here's where I'm eyeing for a potential reaction because we had like 10 leg days in a row. So I'm anticipating some kind of retracement. It'll also be later in the week that we can make a low of the week very soon. This is, of course, Tuesday, guys. So Tuesday, London, Tuesday in general, loves to create lows of the weeks. So we're going to hunt for that for YM today. There was a surprise when I woke up to this. It moved away. This is still a very nice entry. We're almost in the weekly busy. The idea is still valid. It would be nice if we can get a retracement this session. Let me see. Mantis, Kyle, Lucas, Yuri, Kiko. Nice, guys. Eden Circle is present on YouTube. I love that. I love that. Cool. Then GBP NCD continues from the order block to the upside. No entry there. I was eyeing for a trade here, but we didn't follow through. So what I was looking at yesterday was daily SIBI. In a daily SIBI, I want to see some reaction, and this looked very promising. 5 minutes, 15-minute structure, but there was no energy. Like after lunch, there was no energy at all. So similar idea today as well. And if not, we're just going to continue to the upside, to the high again. But this strategy is still valid, but maybe session. We need a placement lower for that. The Euro CAD today is CAD CPI at 8:30. My eyes are going to the daily CB as a point of interest. Potential SMT with GCAD. Just to discuss this setup on stream. Below here. This is the kind of structure we're looking for this session. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys into a key level. Go to the upside. Gold. Still in the daily busy. Daily busy order block. And oh, Bitcoin. Back to another all-time high. 107. Ooh. Interesting. I'm in USD/JPY long since last week. Ooh, that is very nice. That's very nice. Let me see. I haven't looked at JPY at all. Yeah, pretty cool. I love that. I think you like. Ooh, very nice. Disrespected the SIBI. Yeah, massive trade. Well done. Well done. I didn't take that personally. And the reason I have no JPY on the watch list is because I'm not sure based on a higher time frame. Weekly busy, monthly busy. We are in that, and I want to see a close lower or a close higher. So as long as we are in this, I'm not gonna touch the JPY pairs. On a funded. Oh, that is interesting. Interesting. That'll be your first payout, Pico. Is that first payout and also a refund of the profit? What prop firm are you trading on right now? Where you are funded? So in the FAQ of a prop firm, it's that it will state if you have the right of a refund of the challenge fee. So you pay, let's say, a few $100 for a challenge, and if you're funded, you potentially get it back. So I will drop a link in the chat for FTMO. Just go to this website, FTMO and FAQ, and then just search on refund. I can find this for you. Alright, I found it. Let me share it with you. So you are having this question for pretty long, and all your answers are on the website. So I think it's very important that before you even, and this is not for you specifically, Kiko, but in general, if you trade with a prop firm, you should know about these kind of rules. Because if I'm trading with a prop firm that has a refund with the first withdrawal, I'm not gonna take any trade on that account aside from a 0.01 lot size if they allow it, or like a minimum lot size, be in a trade for like an hour, make like $5 profit, and then just refund. Then just wait for the refund. That's like free money. And after I get the refund, it's an 100K account. That's like $600. When I get the refund of $600, then when I have the refreshed account of 100K, then I'm gonna take normal trades. And what happens is that's why they have to refund at the first withdrawal. People are too excited to be funded, and they're just gonna take a trades already. And the chance that they just blow their potential reward as well, very high. I took a trade like that just for activity. Nice, nice. So it's a small payout. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be patient on the DEX here. Would be very nice if we can leave this equal lows intact and retrace from there to the entry. If you now retrace in the coming hour or towards New York, pooh, that's gonna be a very nice trade. Plus liquidity would be nice. Stage are low because we already moved away. 2% payout is nice. 2% plus the refund, nice. Hey Peter, good morning. Admiral, good morning. Lemonas, good morning. Nice, nice. 22 people. Be amazing if you guys can smash the like button. So GPAOD, not an entry yet. So the only trade I'm in right now is still that gold swing. I actually hope that it would move away by now. So expectations are very low. Let's see. I'm expecting this one to hold. I like the structure there. So let's see if we now aggressive sells, aggressive buys. We're a breaker, so a 50-minute unicorn is early here. Okay, so Nasdaq breaking down. That's interesting. Well, it should. There's some form of down movement. So I'm not expecting these highs to hold in the time. Pretty nice structure if you look at the 50-minute. Look at this. Look at how all the premium rates are respected. Or I could go see you in New York. AUDJPY. Peter the Gold Master has gold cells in mine. Do you have gold cells in mine from this daily Sibi here? AUDJPY looks interesting for a cell. Let me check. Yep, I agree. Yeah, it could be something. That's JPY as well. So there's no active pair I'm looking at right now. Nasdaq looks interesting. Very nice retracement play. I think we can retrace yesterday's move towards low hanging fruit, the order block here. Could give a trade something like this. 1, 3. Something like that. Is a retracement play something I would be interested in? But this would also be a New York trade. But definitely keep my eye on this for this session. Same for ES. ES towards here. The indices are looking pretty cool. Shorts towards the weekly busy. I think maybe ES even better, in my opinion. So shorts on ES and Nasdaq look cool. YM just goes. Continue the down move. Yeah, I'm curious what we'll do on gold. See what we do between these arrays. So I'm eyeing a short towards the lows here on ES as a potential low of the week. Down here is a weekly busy. I think we can look at that in this stream. And then with rate cuts tomorrow to move up again, that'll be something I'll be interested in. Still waiting on this beauty. I'm not sure who will get that one. 1 hour looks pretty nice. Yeah, I'll just mark this one as missed. I want at least price to come back to the 1 hour CB here and the 4 hour CB. We didn't, so that's just a missed entry. That's fine. You'll have those ones. Cool. Any other pairs you guys are looking at or want me to look at? I'm eyeing for a potential down move on GBP AUD. On a daily CB here. And what we need for that is structure shift. We have nice fair swings down here. I think DXY is gonna run the highs here, but it could be a nice short on Euro US dollar. Only thing I don't like about Euro US dollar is the range we were in. As an IC trader, I love ranges, or I love trending conditions and not ranging conditions. But it's definitely something worth looking at. Yesterday's low. Out of discipline's sake, I'm not touching this. I'm gonna touch USD pairs later. Yeah, this looks very nice on higher DXY. Breaker. Shorts on DXY currently, like short-term shorts. Definitely something to look at. And my eyes are going to AUD USD. Yeah, trading AUD USD has been very ugly. Look at the daily candles here. Just ledger closing so close to each other. I would say shorts here. Also Euro US dollar shorts. And it's based on a higher DXY. Yeah, nice, Peter. I hope you're making money with AJPY. Crushing it, as always. Swing down to 95. Cool, cool. Looks nice. Now just being patient. Yeah, I like your idea on JPY. It's very nice. This candle is very nice. The 11 p.m. candle. I am this week. I'm not touching any JPY pairs personally. I want to wait for the weekly busy be closed lower, higher. It would be a very nice early Christmas present if you now go back to the 360s. And if it does, I'm probably gonna even long towards there. Liquidity sweep. With this kind of potential structure break. And then long towards our short area. But that's only when the 5-minute structure allows that. That means we need to wait at least for 10 more minutes before the structure is forming. The GBP is very strong right now. See, all the GBP pairs are pushing upwards. Alright, this idea is off the table. That's a quiet London session, as expected. And the reason you can expect a slower London session is when you just look at the economic calendar. Look what we have left later today. We have CAT CPI coming up. Also, UZ red folders, GDP CPI, UZ rates, NTD rates. Sorry, NTD, GDP, JPY rates, GDP rates. So that's where I'm feeling low expectations. I think with low expectations, you give yourself the space to preserve capital. Come back when perhaps there is more to do. Hope here for Peter that we're just gonna rocket downwards. But it's all just about showing up. Showing up. See if you can find a setup. If you can't find a setup, you don't trade. If you can find a setup, you trade. And this is an example for me personally where I'm just looking at the market. Currently, maybe it's gonna change in the coming few minutes, coming hour. But for now, I'm not looking at anything. It's just paper trade. I think DXY is gonna run higher based on the hourly. This hourly busy here. And I think AUD USD is the best one. Like, look at the rejection here from the 1 hour. I think it's the nicest one to trade. Do we look at the silver bullet at London from 3, 4 a.m.? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. This is something I will be interested in. If we rock it down from this point, I won't be, because we are leaving behind a 1-hour CB, but also a 50-minute CB. I'm looking for potential shorts, and my favorite is ES actually, because this green line here, of course, does have liquidity, but also the start of a weekly bullish for value gap, which of course can be a very nice high of low of the week to then trade higher towards its original consolidation, back to all-time high, or back to the highs here. So I'm definitely looking for shorts here, but I'm being patient here. Does that mean I can miss the move here? Yes, sure. That's part of it. How do you overlay the calendar on TradingView? Oh, it's just a screenshot. It looks fancy, but I just screenshotted it and then just copy pasted here like an image. Like here you can see it's an image. From experience, there is a lot of value to be made and value to be gained in having a peace of mind during trading. And peace of mind is something that's quite rare. And with peace of mind, I mean you don't feel the rush to press the button. You feel okay with missing moves, and you're just like, hey, let's just chill and see what's happened. And that feeling is very, like I mentioned, it's very rare. Like a lot of times you're passionate about trading, you're showing up, so you want to press some form of button because yeah, you're here, so why not? And currently I'm in a very peaceful state of mind, which is very nice for my trading. It removes unnecessary losses from my results, but it's also something that needs to be trained and journaled about. If you are the type of person, the type of trader that feels rushed or feels FOMO a lot or feels anxiety a lot, try to think about what would invite that peace of mind into your trading. So for now, for example, here, like I'm eyeing a potential short here, especially here on ES. But if price just rockets downwards from here, I am not frustrated. I'm okay. Like I mentioned, peace of mind. So try to figure out what it is for you. Very important. Because with that peace of mind, you can now just wait. And you know, like if now a big move comes, let's say the down move comes right now on ES, which it looks like it will. It would be nice to get some form of entry, but if it just rocks downwards, we have red folders every single day. Every single day. So nobody should be able to tell you that there's no more opportunity this week. So missing a move is okay because there's so much coming this week. Keep it in mind. So here's shorts on longs DXY, shorts on peace of mind is such a nice thing to have. Interesting. We're still looking at potential DAX longs towards our short entry. Interesting, interesting. And I like where price stopped. Look at where price stopped. Just below yesterday's low. That's very nice. Also, just before a weekly busy. It means lots of liquidity. So if we now go upwards, we can just buy and then sell. So yeah, this looks very nice. Let's see if the second fair value gap can be created. So trading DEX is a futures, and I would recommend, like, most forex prop firms don't have nice leverage on futures. So you see nice trade, and let's say you want to shoot something like this, or 1 to 3. Most of the time, this risk is what you mask, like what you can shoot is like a few hundred, like a small percentage of what your actual trade idea is, and that sucks. These last 2 months, there has been a notable increase in gaps across all trading instruments. Why is this? Well, gaps occur when there is lots of volume and energy coming into the market. So volatility. I would say fundamental reasons like elections, like wars, seasonalities. If you want to trade futures like the DEX, I would maybe recommend getting like Top Step or My Funded Futures. I think this is gonna be a pretty nice entry model. Um, if you now create a second fair value gap, and my eyes are just going to the 4 hour CB. See if the cell model can form. Alright, longs as expected, shorts here, shorts there. So for today, I'm definitely open for shorts, this area, towards the 60-40. So keep that in mind for trading this. Ideally, what you want to see here, respect this first SIBI and trade lower. The reason I'm looking for shorts here is because we already took a swing higher. So we don't need to go back to the higher. So I'm looking for a potential sell model here on the lower time frame. Just follow how the bodies are closing downside. That's what's tell you the story to take this trade, yes or no. It is a lovely news packed week for sure, for sure. Incredible. Alright guys, I'll leave the stream on for a few more minutes. So where I'm looking at for today's GPAOD potential shorts, NASDAQ potential shorts, or especially ES actually towards the weekly busy. Well, neutral on the DAX here, not very pretty here. DXY short term higher. We set a low to the high of the week, maybe today or tomorrow, or we have FOMC. And yeah, later today, CAT CPI. So CAT CPI, eyes are going towards the daily SIBI here as a point of interest. GCAT the high here. Maybe an SMT there. Then go lower. Alright guys. 30. I'm gonna leave London session for now. And we will continue here on YouTube. Of course, with the 2025 mentorship, a new episode, 2 episodes new this week. We'll go over time frames, candlesticks, how to trade them, best practices. Definitely gonna love those. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed today, please leave a like. If you didn't do this already, make sure you subscribe to don't miss any new value that's going to be shared on the channel. And here on YouTube, I'll be back live Thursday. There has been a contract switch. I know, the rollover to the H contract. I'll do it later today. Alright guys, have an amazing trading day. Have fun with CAT CPI. And I'll see you guys on YouTube here Thursday, 2:30 EST for London trading. Bye-bye.